Hello friends, I hope that you're well. So here we have a Kenwood stereo. So this is an MP3 player and it also has an auxiliary port. So how exactly to use it with your phone? Well, you need a cable like this with two further jacks. You can find something like this in every electronic stores that sells cable and other electronic things like this. So first of all you plug it in, then you connect the phone, the headphone, to the other jack like this, and then from the Kenwood stereo you just select aux, USB, aux. Okay, and at this point everything that plays from the phone will actually play on the car speakers. So this is how easy it is. You just need this cable and your phone. You can actually install Mixcloud. It's great for something like this. You don't get ads from YouTube, but you can also use YouTube as well, considering that you can find any kind of music on YouTube. So you just leave it like this and use the auxiliary port. Okay, so I hope that this video was useful. Please subscribe if you found it useful, and thank you for watching.